Have you ever wondered how AI can revolutionize Amazon PPC automation? Well, the future has arrived. Scale Insights, a technology company that specializes in e-commerce solutions, has developed an AI-powered software suite that is set to enhance advertising performance on Amazon like never before. Imagine a software that uses dynamic rule-based algorithms to optimize advertising spending and streamline keyword usage. Well, that's exactly what Scale Insights has created. Their software suite features a dynamic bidding algorithm that customizes bidding rules and targets based on keyword or product performance. This means you can now let the software do the heavy lifting while you focus on growing your business. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The software suite also includes a negative algorithm and import algorithm that work together seamlessly. They add negative keywords or product targets and integrate high-performing keywords into existing ad groups. This smart approach ensures that your advertising dollars are spent wisely and effectively. One of the standout features of this software is the Dayparting feature. This clever tool pauses ads during low sales hours, ensuring that your ad spend is maximized during peak sales periods. It's an intelligent way of making sure you get the most bang for your buck. This AI-powered software suite also offers sales analytics tools and a comprehensive preview feature. These tools provide unprecedented control and visibility over your Amazon PPC campaigns. You can see how your ads are performing in real time and make informed decisions on the fly. And if you've ever struggled with restock forecasting, this software has got you covered. It provides restock forecasting tools to help sellers project restocking dates and quantities accurately. No more guesswork, just accurate data-driven projections. In a nutshell, Scale Insights aims to empower sellers with unprecedented control and visibility in their Amazon PPC campaigns. Their AI-powered software suite is a game-changer that is set to revolutionize how we advertise on Amazon. So, if you're ready to take your Amazon PPC campaigns to the next level, it's time to embrace AI and all the possibilities it brings.